Hi everyone, Careless Entry here. Just doing a challenge lock video. I received this challenge lock from Paul Springett. He sent me a few things, and this was he sent me a few challenge lock. This is one of them, and you can probably tell who it's by. It's by a fantastic YouTube channel, Australian picker and seal maker, obviously, and it is. If I can get it out. Funky Monkey. So this is Funky Monkey's number 37, and it is called Blue-arsed Fly, and it was pinned up on the 2nd of April 2019. So this is quite a weighty cylinder, rim cylinder. Don't know the make of it or anything, but it's very, very hefty. Works like it's on ball bearings. Yeah, it's got Schlag style backing. Okay, well, so it's 6 pinner. There is the bitting. I'll get some black background on that. So you see some nasty gatekeepers there on 1 and 4. C4 keyway. Pretty sure that, yeah, that's C4 keyway. So let's give it a go. Right, this might be a long pick, people. I have picked one of Funky Monkey seals before, so I know that they can be tricky. Let's just check it still works in the vise. Yep, no problem. Right, so we get to tensioning now, so I'm going to trust my trusty tensioner. Yeah, that sits in there perfectly, and I broke my favourite 2 picks in the last week and a half, and they were Sparrows picks. They were the Tron, and the other one was the Lunatic, and they were part of a threesome. They were part of a threesome that I used for C4s and Lockwoods. They were made up of the Tron, the Attila, and the Lunatic for different pin heights, and I've still got the Attila. There's the rest of the Tron spewing. I am going to make another one though. I have some blanks, but the only closest profile I could find with that similar reach was just out of the cheapy set that I've slightly modified, so hoping this might work. So anyway, so let's get into it. So just check that it's all good and proper. I don't get in there properly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 6 pinner, clockwise, very light tension, and start from the front, I guess. So zoom in. Get a decent angle, and I'll work off this ledge here, usually that little ledge there of the warding, and pick off there. If you have anything thicker than 20 thousandths, it's a little bit hard to get to those pins, and you'll touch the warding and it'll just dampen your feedback. So, and I have sanded this one down a little bit, but not too much. Okay, 4 minutes into the video, enough jibber jabbering, as I say, and let's start the pick. Attempt at the pick. So I'll start at the beginning, just like I said, working off this ledge, and I don't know, 1 feels weird. Okay, we'll leave that alone. 2, just touch 2, a little bit of movement. Okay, 3. Okay, just have a little bit of a click there. Okay, I'm under 4 now. That's under 4. That's that gatekeeper on 4, which I'm really hesitant to touch. I might get under him if I can. Yep. I just touched 6. Tiny click and a little bit of movement. So just push my pick back in to the back of the keyway, and just going to try to get 6 from here. So as you saw on that key, you've got the gatekeeper, which is number 4, and you've got 2 very high lifts, which are 5 and 6. Okay, got a click there and some movement. I believe that was 6 or 5, I'm not too sure. I'm a bit lost back there with this pick. I'm not used to this pick, I hardly ever use it. But it's all I've got at the moment to sort of scoop around with the gatekeeper. Okay, got another click there. These feel like serrated pins. Multiple clicks. So I'm just trying to really get those pins at the back. Some double, triple, quadruple checking. Okay, just hit I think 5 or 6 and got a bit more movement there and a couple of soft clicks. So hopefully that is set now. So I'm pretty sure I'm on, where's that gatekeeper? That's there. So now I'm on 5. Let's try to set 5. This 5 might be set, who knows? So stay away from number 4. I might start from the front again and just see how we go. Yeah, just working off that ledge. Yeah, 1 feels a bit bindy actually, but that's a low cut. I mean, gatekeeper 2. Oh, that's okay. That'll drop back down. Scary moment there. So, oh, got to click off 2 and a bit of movement. Okay, under 3 now. Oh, oh, nice. So that feels set now. 3. That doesn't overset or not. I'm trying to measure. It might have been an overset. Yeah, I reckon I've overset 2 and 3 there. Let them drop down, hopefully. There's 1 there. I think I've overset 1 there too. This is a good CL, this one. Nice and challenging. So let's go to the back again. And I think I'm going to be quiet now, as I really want to focus in on this. Feels like 6 is set. Got another little click there and a bit of movement. Just trying out each pin and see how it reacts. That's 4 there, that nasty gatekeeper. He's way low. Not sure if it's set or not. Might leave it alone for now. 5 might be set. Leave that alone. And leave that nasty gatekeeper alone. Which is right there. Doesn't feel like he's moved though, at all. It's giving a bit of counter, so it might be an overset. Okay, 3, a couple of clicks off 2, and some movement. Keep slipping off that ledge there. 1 feels a bit bindy. Maybe set now. No, overset. Wait till it comes down. Leave 1 alone. 2 full set. 3 full set. 4's that gatekeeper. Not sure what to do about that one. Might try to. Oh, actually felt like I said it then, because felt like an accessible lip. So yes, again, serrations. I've got a bit of movement there actually. That's good. Alright, let's keep going. Start from the beginning again. Oh, 1's binding low. I'm so weird about touching 1. and leave it alone. Might be like a 0 lift pin. Not sure. And 2 feels binding now. So I'm trying to hit 2 here, but I can't. Okay, there's 2 there. There's 3. Overset 3 again. Can you feel that? It's floating. Okay, that feels like a set 3 then. Nice click. A little bit of a click. 2. Okay, 2. Feels more set now. I've got to click out of that. 3. Wow, 4 so sketchy. But I did feel something drop, but I think it might have been 4. I've got to be very careful what I do here now. Pull them back later. Let's go to the back again and check 6 and 5. This handle's starting to slip off a little bit. Whoa, that was a big set. I think that was 5. That was a big set. I think it might have been an overset. Just going to go back 1, see if that was it. Almost full set now. Another little click. Okay. I think 6 is set properly. Okay, some clicks and some movement of 6, but a whole bunch fell then. That's 5, click. 4's that nasty gatekeeper. Evil little thing he's putting there. A couple clicks of 3 and set. That's 2. I don't think 1's going to give me anything, but it does bind, but it wants to overset, I think. So 3, overset 3, I think. It might be a set, I'm not sure. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. Oh, feels like I've set 4 again. And a bit more movement. It's a nice puzzle. Okay, 2's dropped. Feels like it's set again. 3 still feels set. Okay. So I have a feeling I might have overset 4 here. Just going through each pin, trying to see if I can get anything. Oh, okay, that's pin 5 and some movement. 4 feels set nice and low. Oh. Feels like set pin 1 then. Got a bit of movement out of it. Okay, no. Wow, this is a monster seal. Well, for me anyway. I'm still early on in my seal journey. Wow. How long are we at? 14 minutes. I've been told time does not matter. So I'm going to show some perseverance here and try to get it. So let's try 1. I know 1 is the low set, but keys don't always tell you the truth. I have some funny CLs where keys lie and want to deceive you. This one might be one of them though. Okay, just touch 2 and a little bit more movement. There's definitely serrations in here, a lot of serrations in here. I wouldn't be surprised if the core is threaded and probably the Bible as well. Can't get 2 to drop down. Okay, 2's back down. 3's dropped. Oh, some nice movement off 3 there. Oh, some more movement. Probably about 2 or 3 clicks there. Okay, I think I'm making progress. 4 is just does not want to move. I can bend that pick on 4 and it just will not move. And that is light tension. So that's probably set. Try to go down the back again. Maybe the pins at the back are not quite set enough. Just trying to hit each one and sort of tickle them and oh, got a bit of movement there for some reason. Didn't hear anything, but it did move. Okay, that was 5 and probably about 3 clicks then. But no movement. And now it's gone stiff. Really bindy, won't move. Same with 4. 3's dropped. Oh, and some nice movement. 2's dropped. A little bit of counter actually. Oh, and some more movement. Wow. Feels like I'm getting somewhere with this lock. Oh, and 2's binding from it's binding from the bottom now. Before he didn't bind till really, really high. Oh, yes! That's got to be a good feeling. Always a good feeling. 17 minutes with a hook that I've modified. That is great. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to gut this now. I can hear my missus screaming at me in the background saying, why are you spending enough time? Just joking, guys. So, just confirm that is open. Oh, yes. So, to gut this schlag style backing up, I'll try this Sparrow's. Oh, yeah, that works good. Nice. I only use this on my progressives because I don't come a lot across too many schlag locks. Oh, don't want to spin it around just in case. Jeez. Need a shim. I'm excited about what's inside here now. I'm very excited. Man, that was a good pick. Can't believe how smooth it was for all those what I think are this follow my feet. Yeah, of course. Alright, here we go. Oh wow, every chamber looks threaded almost. So here's a close-up of the core. Look at that. Just gonna get the key. So you can see everything needed to be picked. 6, whoa, big hole down. 6 and 5, 4 just a hair, and 3, 2 and 1 just a hair. So the key was telling the truth. It was not a lie. I'm just gonna pull it out and see if we get. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that work. Oh wow, this is gonna be a fun gut. Right, get some zoom back down here. So I'm just gonna dump these key pins, and I will do the magic box close up at the very end. 3, 4, everything's serrated. Wow, look at the pin work on this. 1 standard on 6, short little key pin. Just arrange these quickly. Look at the work on that. This is serration hell or heaven, I don't know. Wow, he spent a lot of time on the seal. Look at that pin there. Look at that key pin. Wow, that's beautiful. I'll move this out of the way. Beautiful stuff down here. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing as well. I will zoom in on this, don't worry guys. It's definitely worth seeing. So I'll start from the front. I'll get that shim out as I can. It's pretty tight there actually. Okay, shim's out. Okay, let's go this way. Yep. And driver 1. Like I said, beautiful work. All this. Very, very nice seal. Oh. These are all homemade pins. These aren't packet pins, these are all home sculpted artistic pins. They've got different springs already to mess up the feedback. Look at that one. Wow. Wow. I'll have to post this on Discord. Oh, a very light spring on that one. Oh yeah. So number 2 is strong. Number 1's medium, and that is like a feather spring. Interesting. So I'm going to spin around and get the other ones. So got a serrated in number 6, and oh, got like a funny shot one. Looks like a spool effect into that one. I'll take the spring out of 5, another different spring. I'll get the spring from 6. Oh, a little mini spring. It looks like a little. Oh, that's a tough spring. It's a little spring, but it's like I have a big lighter or something. And we got driver 4. Wow, it's like a reduced diameter with a serration in the middle. And the spring. All different springs, by the way. So I'll just get. Okay, have a look in the Bible. The Bible does look stock. The core has got serrations, or it's actually got undercutting in 1, serrated in 2, 3, and 5, and undercut in 4, and undercut in, oh, it's hard, yeah, undercut in 6. Wow, so undercut in 1, 4, and 6, and serrated in, or threaded in 2, 3, and 5. Wow! How do I get that open? Alright, let's get the magic box, and I'll give you guys a close-up and description of these beautiful, beautiful pins. There's been a lot of effort to put on to get these pins looking like this. A lot of effort. So check this out, guys. This is just superb work. It's just amazing. Let's get a pointer. So keep in 1. It's got like a spool or deep serration there with a very thin lip. Keep in 2 is multi-serrated. Very thin lip on top as well. Look at those fine serrations on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 serrations there. Look at those. Well, five serrations to make 4 lips. Yeah, wow. Look at this one here. Very tall keep in, deep serration in there, 2 lips there with the serration in the middle, the spool effect, and then another serration on top, and yeah, very sharp lips and all that threading and undercutting. So you've got the same one here as you got in 3, very similar. 4 and 5 very similar, very fine serration, and that one there is razor blade thin. Very first one there. Standard one in 6. Wow. Alright, so don't know what he's doing in this neighbourhood. But anyway, driver 1, you can see that. I don't know how to describe that, as in the driver reduced diameter almost into a spool with a fine lip. Driver 2 sort of comes in and comes out again, so, and then a serration and a thin lip. Look at this, I don't even know how to explain these. This one here's got double serration, look, it's double serrations in the bottom, in the middle, got a flat piece, and then sort of spread out serrations towards the top. This one here looks almost like a mushroom pin. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but it reduces diameter just below where it goes into the full width. So it's like reduced diameter and then goes in one more little step, and then yeah. And these tapered, that one's tapered maybe, okay. This one here is beautiful, I love that one. It's got a double fine lip on the bottom and reduces in diameter, comes out into diameter again, into the normal keep-in width. This one here, another work of art. Just multi-serrated, very, very fine, thin lips on the end there. Worse than Asser spool lips. You know, very hard to set, and all different springs, all different spring tension as well. Wow, that was a killer seal. Thank you, Funky Monkey. That was a really, really great seal for me to pick. Thank you, Paul Springett for sending it in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.